What up, what up, what up? Wow, that video quality though, crazy.
It looks amazing. Blur me up. Guess I'm not important.
Ooh, the quality is so nice though.
So you want to stand in front of the couch? Or what do you do? Yeah. Just stay there. Stay there. Now I'll go to the couch. And then I do a picture like this. I guess.
Okay, I got you. See you. Okay, 4, 3, 2. You come over, I'll go closer to you. Okay. Well, okay. Oh, okay, baby.
See, Director Ty in the building.
Good time. Feel like
I heard what you just said.
No.
What's up, YouTube? It's Ty.
And it's Bridget.
And you're tuned to Ty and Breeze Life. We did a DIY for engagement photo shoot. I'm just gonna break down what you just seen in the last 2 to 4 minutes of what we did. And the first thing you're gonna need is a ring light. That's what we used for the lighting. There was already lighting there.
It was really good,
yeah,
actually.
It was really good.
And it had big windows, so
yeah,
it was like natural lighting.
Yeah, but like for a close-up look, the ring light really made it pop, for sure. So yeah, that was great. Also, we just used our iPhone, and you know, like the
so if you have a better camera, it'll probably come out 10 times better.
Yeah, because you have you have not the 4K because that's the video, but but you have a better camera. And it's the wide camera too. So it's like if you want to take like a farther shot, you got like a wide angle, and we can even show you for some of the pictures where we use the wide angle, and it just looks good. It was from like a far distance too.
Yeah.
So yeah.
The quality was pretty good. Like if you look at the photos, like it actually looks like it's of good quality. And our light went out again. And we're back.
We're back.
Hey. Yeah, so the quality was actually really good. Like I found like our photos actually look professional.
Yeah.
Like even though the camera wasn't amazing, that's what I'm saying. If you use like a really good camera, it'd probably come out like 10 times better.
Yeah.
Like I feel like it would be a good challenge if we brought like actual photographer there and see like the difference they could do.
Yeah, but if you because in the video, I don't know if we're gonna put this in, but our first engagement shoot, you can kind of see the difference. But like with our photo shoot, I feel like it was a little bit more creative. But then again, you can tell like the camera they used, or the guy used, was different. It was a little bit more professional.
Yeah.
But yeah, we used the iPhone camera, and then I feel like what we did with the iPhone camera was pretty good.
But it still came out really good, especially like the black and white effect was really nice.
Based off of what we had, I feel like we did a good job.
Yeah.
And got all the good angles and
yeah.
But,
so we found the place online. It was in Vaughan. We'll leave the address, I guess, somewhere in this video. And
it's in the starting of the video, but we'll pop it up right now too.
We'll pop it up right now. And the price too.
The price, yeah.
Yeah, but it's pretty good. I think it was like one.
Yeah, it was around there, like 130, something like that.
Yeah,
we'll put the actual price up on the screen too.
That's per hour, so you gotta really like plan out how much time you need. We did ours in an hour.
We got there,
but it was really
we did ours in 40 minutes. It was,
we did ours in like 40 minutes because we barely had time.
Yeah, we got there late, like 20 minutes late.
There's a lot of like, when you look at that video where it shows all the rooms, like there's a lot of rooms. It's big space.
Yeah.
There's like a lot of areas that you can actually do photos there. So, like, yeah, give yourself enough time to be able to do that. Because I feel like if we had more time, we'd be doing like more places and stuff.
Yeah.
We were like trying to move from one place to the other like super quickly.
Yeah, we definitely. If we had more time, we probably would have used one of the, you know, that area where it has like the pillows where you sit down.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, we would have
really
took
pretty.
more pictures for that, but we only got a couple pictures for that. We had some other ideas, but I think it came out well. Like,
overall, it came out really well. Like those photos we're using for our wedding invitations now because it came out so good. Over the ones we actually got professionally done, which is funny. So, yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, I definitely prefer our pictures, but you can tell the difference between the cameras too. But the black and white look, I really love. Like it was so good.
Yeah. I like the look of like the way we did our photo. I guess like the type of photos they were.
Yeah. I
like that kind of style better than I liked the professional ones.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah.
And you also feel more comfortable when it's just like two people.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
where it's like one person like in your face and you don't know them.
And there's not cold air blowing on your head as time goes by. We did it in the winter, and I got a fresh cut in the cold air in Toronto, Canada, which is blowing on the back of my head. And I was not right. The guy was like, smile.
The guy kept saying, he's like, are you in pain? Are you good?
Are you good? No, he says, I know you're in pain. I know you're cold. Obviously, he's like, he's in the same weather as me.
Like, smile, dude. He's just like,
I'm like, cause I was freezing. I'm like, wow, this was not a good idea. Like the pictures came out good, but it was just.
That's so funny.
It was not a good idea, and I don't even think I was feeling well too. So on top of that, it was rough for me, but we got through it. I got through it. And, Bridget was good because I don't know, she's a true Canadian. I can't get used to the cold, so yeah, it's not me, but it's definitely not me. Definitely not me.
Yeah,
but yeah.
But overall,
it was good. Yeah,
I definitely recommend, like, if you want to save money, do your own engagement photos.
Mm-hmm.
Because they can come out just as great, and photographers cost a lot of money.
Yeah, all you need is an hour, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you time it right and you know what you want to do,
and you have like a like thoughts in your mind of what you want to do beforehand. Like you can't just go there and then try to strategize everything.
Like I think it's in our video too. We have like reference photos.
Yeah.
So we literally came in knowing like this is the type of photos we want to take, and these are the type of like positions that we want to get in.
Yeah, even though most of the stuff was on the fly, we were kind of lucky because like some of the times like the pictures we were taking, like it was just coming to my mind like right away. But sometimes,
especially around that like couch, those pictures.
But
it came out like really natural. Like we were just simply moving.
Yeah. But you don't want to rely on that because if this is one of those days where like it's not coming to you, you might need to have like a plan.
It's still always good to have a plan,
just
like, some type of idea. You need to know some type of idea of like what you want to do.
Yeah, and then on the fly, if something comes to you, then it's a plus. So
you can explore it, and it's all good.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So that's everything. Yeah. The location we got, the price, what you need, camera, ring light, all of that. Look good, dress good, feel good.
You could change clothes if you want to.
Yeah. We can change.
We did that. Like I did that with you.
Yeah, you had to change clothes. Yeah. You can see in some of the pictures she has a different outfit. Yeah, but it was great. Mm-hmm. I had fun.
It was a lot of fun. That's what I'm saying. We have to do it again because I just had so much fun.
It was fun. Yeah, definitely.
Right.
But we're gonna sign out.
Yes.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hopefully we'll give out another like engagement photo video, like maybe the other one we took.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a wedding series actually.
Yeah. So much stuff.
We're still thinking about what we're gonna do. Maybe just the planning and just show everybody what we've done.
Our venues, places we looked at.
Yeah. And all the prices.
Places.
Yeah, and then how. Sorry, you said talking at the same time, but yeah, and just not to get what's the word? Not to get
stressed.
Not just stressed, but like when you're looking at venues, to not get tricked or whatever. What do you think about? Yeah, because there's some places that try to trap you into paying more,
or like hidden fees and stuff.
And there's some places that actually care about the customers and care about who's like getting married and actually trying to give them the better price. Some places are just all about the money, and it's like, oh yeah, we're gonna give you this, but we're gonna have some hidden fees in here, and we're not gonna tell you about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we caught that, and we heard that from other places, other venues, about certain places. A place that we liked, that we were probably gonna go to and we're set on, and other places were like, nah, don't go there because I've heard things, and so yeah,
we'll probably do some type of videos to do with like wedding planning and all that kind of stuff involved with it.
For sure.
But yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
So
you guys enjoyed the video. Yep. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.